Ever found yourself staring at your Zip Pay statement, a knot forming in your stomach, wondering what happens if you accidentally miss a payment? We've all been there. Life throws curveballs, unexpected expenses pop up, and sometimes things slip through the cracks. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Zip Pay and exploring the consequences of missing a payment. Understanding the ins and outs of your buy now pay later obligations is crucial for maintaining a healthy financial life, so let's get right into it. First things first, let's quickly recap what Zip Pay is for those who might be unfamiliar. Zip Pay is a buy now pay later service that allows you to make purchases online and in-store, splitting the cost into smaller, more manageable installments. It's a popular option for many because it offers flexibility and can be helpful for budgeting, especially when unexpected costs arise. However, like any credit or financial agreement, it comes with responsibilities, and one of the most important is making your repayments on time. So, what happens if you miss a payment on Zip Pay? The short answer is, it's not good. But, it's also not the end of the world. Understanding the specific consequences is key to navigating the situation effectively. The first thing you'll likely encounter is a late payment fee. Zip Pay, like most buy now pay later services, charges fees for missed payments. The exact amount of this fee can vary, so it's absolutely crucial to check your Zip Pay terms and conditions. Don't just assume it's a standard amount. It might be a percentage of the outstanding balance or a fixed fee. Knowing this upfront can help you prepare and understand the immediate financial impact of missing a payment. These fees can add up quickly, especially if you continue to miss payments, so it's essential to address the situation as soon as possible. Beyond the immediate financial hit of a late fee, missing a Zip Pay payment can also impact your credit score. While Zip Pay itself might not directly report missed payments to credit bureaus in every instance, the situation can escalate. If you consistently miss payments and fail to communicate with Zip Pay, they may eventually refer your account to a debt collection agency. This is where things can get serious for your credit score. Debt collection agencies typically do report delinquent accounts to credit bureaus, and this can have a negative impact on your creditworthiness. A lower credit score can make it more difficult to obtain loans, credit cards, or even rent an apartment in the future. It's important to understand that the impact on your credit score isn't automatic after missing just one payment. It's more about a pattern of missed payments and the subsequent actions taken by Zip Pay. This is precisely why communication is so vital. So, what should you do if you realize you're going to miss a payment? The absolute best thing you can do is contact Zip Pay before the due date. Explain your situation honestly and openly. They may be able to work with you to create a payment plan or adjust your repayment schedule. Many buy now pay later services understand that unforeseen circumstances can occur and are often willing to help customers who communicate proactively. Ignoring the missed payment and hoping it will go away is the worst possible approach. It will only make the situation worse and increase the likelihood of negative consequences. When you contact Zip Pay, be prepared to explain the reason for the missed payment. Whether it's a job loss, unexpected medical expenses, or any other genuine hardship, providing context can help them understand your situation and potentially offer assistance. They might be able to offer a temporary hardship arrangement, which could involve reducing your payments or temporarily pausing them. Again, the specifics will vary depending on your individual circumstances and Zip Pay's policies, so direct communication is key. Another important point to consider is the potential impact on your Zip Pay account itself. Consistently missing payments can lead to your account being suspended or even closed. This means you won't be able to use the service for future purchases. While this might seem like a minor inconvenience compared to the credit score implications, it can still be problematic if you rely on Zip Pay for budgeting or managing your expenses. Now, let's talk about some proactive steps you can take to avoid missing payments in the first place. The best strategy is always prevention. Set up payment reminders on your phone or calendar. Most buy now pay later services also offer email or SMS reminders, so make sure you've enabled these notifications. Another helpful tip is to link your Zip Pay account to a bank account that you regularly monitor. This way, You'll be aware of upcoming payments and can ensure you have sufficient funds available. Budgeting is also essential. Before making a purchase using ZipPay, take a moment to assess your financial situation and ensure you can comfortably afford the repayments. Don't just focus on the initial purchase price, consider the total amount you'll need to repay, including any fees or interest. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a purchase and overlook the long-term financial implications. If you find yourself struggling to manage multiple buy now pay later accounts, consider consolidating your debts. There are various debt consolidation options available, such as personal loans or balance transfer credit cards. These options can help you simplify your repayments and potentially reduce the overall interest you're paying. However, it's important to research these options carefully and compare interest rates and fees before making a decision. Finally, remember that ZipPay and other buy now pay later services are financial tools. Like any tool, they can be useful if used responsibly, but they can also cause problems if misused. It's crucial to understand the terms and conditions, manage your repayments effectively, and communicate proactively with the provider if you encounter any difficulties. Don't be afraid to reach out to ZipPay's customer service if you have any questions or concerns. They are there to help you understand your obligations and navigate any challenges you might face. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.